Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few new weathering techniques on a couple train cars I got into a lot that I bought off eBay. Cars that I'm personally not going to run, but cars I thought I'd practice my weathering skills on. And today I'm going to be using a cheap makeup that I got from dollar store and a red Sharpie. I'm going to start with this. This is a Tyco 40-foot box car. Someone had already put KDs on it and metal wheels, so I'm just going to start weathering on it. I've seen a prototype photo when I was in Evansville, but it was of a 50-foot Sueline box car that had bloodshot eyes. So I'm going to give kind of a similar feel to it, but I'm not going to put an actual eyeball. I'm going to put like little stars. As you can see there, that already kind of improved the look of the train car. Just something a little different. I think I'll draw a little graffiti. Actually, I think I'm just going to leave the eyeball look. And I'm going to do like a peace sign and then a little smiley face on that side. Make it a little different looking. Open up this dollar makeup here. As a guy, I never thought I'd be buying makeup for myself. It puts a piece of tape over it. Anyway. Let's see. Let's kind of give it this brownish. We'll kind of get the trucks a little bit. Oh yeah, they don't look too bad. And I just lightly put that on there. Just lightly tap it on here. Move the brush around a little bit so it don't look exactly the same. Make sure to get those ladders. That's what I like about these makeup brushes. They get into these little bitty crevices really well. Usually, if I'm weathering, I'll get also an eraser and I'll erase some of the lettering, but this one's got a few chips already in it, so get that door a little bit better. I really like the brown makeup. It's looking really nice. I'll say this one I'm just gonna tap around a little bit. Just gonna make it look like it's at least lightly been in service for a little while. Alright, there's a little bit of light weathering. I don't think it looks too bad. Like I said, I'm just going light on this one. I don't want to make it look too heavy. Okay. Now for this side. I want to make sure I get the brake wheel for sure. It's hard to see in the camera, but I've got a nice little light rusting on the back side there. Oops, I don't forget my truck's on this side. So I'm going to keep it light. I don't want it too dark on this particular boxcar. I'll probably end up putting both these cars on eBay. Started at 99 cents, see if someone wants to buy it. Like I said, I'm not going to personally use these cars, so I just kind of wanted something to show some different weathering techniques that I found work pretty good. A little heavy right there, but that's alright. This has got more of a, I'm going to put more streaks down the rivets here. Make it a little bit heavier on this end. Kind of do the roof a little bit. Yes, you're probably going to get some makeup on your fingers and they'll retouch the car. That's one disadvantage of using the makeup, but you can always cover that back up. That ain't no big deal. Alright. There is my weathered Soo-Line boxcar. It only took a few minutes to do. And then we're going to do a main central. It is by E&C Shops, which is a very short-lived United States trade manufacturer. I always thought they made pretty decent cars. And on this one, I'm going to go a little bit browner. Get a little bit on my trucks here. Someone also put Katie's middle wheels on this one as well. like I said, I'm gonna stick both these on there as a pair for 99 cents and just let the bidding go. I'm not in it to make money, I'm just kind of in it to, you know. Like I said, I got these off eBay in a lot. But these rivets, you want to go opposite of the rivets because it won't stick otherwise. I'm just doing kind of light spots. It already looks like a car that's been in service for a little bit. I like having it in this box, it helps a lot. Like I said, just cheap $1 makeup and a Sharpie for the cheap modeler that don't want to spend a whole lot on weathering paints and going to Hobby Lobby and stuff like that. Just keep it pretty simple. I do like getting my doors a little more that rustic look, dirty look. Because unless it's out of the paint shop, it's got a little bit of rust and dirt on it. After just a few years in service. I almost like this one well enough to keep because they do like using, kind of hard to tell streaks on that one. Like I said, I'm using a little bit darker brown on this one. I don't know if you're seeing that or not. Alright, there we go. Couple very easy techniques. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be doing more of these modeling videos throughout the year, so stay tuned.